Hello, Detroit. I am Judge Alicia Jones-Coleman of the 36th District Court, located at 421 Madison Avenue in the city of Detroit. On November 6, 2012, I was elected judge to serve you on the 36th District Court bench. I am proud that I was elected on the same ballot that President Obama was elected for his second term as President of the United States of America. I am a lifelong resident of the city of Detroit. I graduated from Michigan State University and the Detroit College of Law before it became part of Michigan State University. I am a member of Second Ebenezer Church, Delta Sigma Theta Sorority, and various other organizations. I have served you as judge for 6 years. This is my 6th year, and I am running for re-election and want your support. Since being elected, I have served on all the dockets of the court, with the exception of the specialized dockets. In the first year on the bench, for 8 months, I was assigned to the civil landlord-tenant docket. That docket had a 300-case backlog. I was blessed with a seasoned staff, Rexina Edwards as my court clerk, Victoria King as my court reporter, and Officer Thomas as my court officer. Together, we got that docket in shape in about 6 months. August of my first year, I was assigned as one of the 4 judges to conduct criminal preliminary examinations at the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice. August of my second year, I was assigned to the landlord-tenant docket, where we served for a year. Our statistics were good for processing matters timely and below the time standards that are expected by the state. August of my 3rd year on the bench, I was assigned to the civil docket for 19 months, and we continued to process cases timely, as expected by our state. I was then assigned to the traffic division in my 4th year, where I continue to serve. I believe that our court is one of the busiest district courts in the United States. I maintain a docket of my own and that I am assigned, and I cover for many of my colleagues when they must be away from the court. I get the court matters done timely. It is very important to me that citizens get on with their day. I believe that police officers better serve us on the street and at work as opposed to waiting in the court unless they must testify at trial or a hearing. Prior to being elected to the 36th District Court, I worked for the court as a senior court attorney. I also worked for the City of Detroit Law Department prior to serving on the 36th District Court bench as judge. This experience and my experience as a private practicing attorney for 20 years prepared me well to serve you as judge. I am married to a retired Detroit Police Department investigator detective, and we have a daughter, Joy, who has an older sister, Simone, who is married and has 2 small children. I currently take care of my mom and stepdad, Shirley and Ronald Summers. I look after my Aunt Doris Jackson, who lives in New York. My dad, Boyd W. Jones, better known as BJ, passed in May of 2016. My hope is that from this video, you now know me as your 36th District Court and support my bid for re-election. Thank you again. I am Judge Alicia Jones-Coleman.